Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So this video will be basically about a farm tour, and so I will show you around a farm in Brazil in the region of Sao Paulo, where I was last year in 2020 for around a month, so from the end of September to the end of October. And yeah, this video was basically taken the last days I was there, but I thought it would be maybe a good idea to introduce first the farm, and then later maybe in a following video show what I've done there on a daily basis. What's actually the name? I don't know. And yeah, I would say let's start. So guys, today is the 21st of October and also my last day here. Tomorrow I will drive to Sao Paulo and will stay there for 4 days. So I just wanted to show like a little bit the farm, like a little tour. So here's like the entrance, there's the living house, and there's like the cafe, what is opened on Sundays. So let's go. No, opened on the weekends, I mean, like on Saturday and Sunday. I don't know if it's open, let's see, but I think. It's closed. Let's go around. We can go to here first. That's like the garden, what is next to the cafe, to the restaurant. Here we have different stuff, papayas, beetroot, is it? I don't know. Salads, and also here one of the chickens are here, like the older ones. The chickens that are lay the eggs. They are basically here. They have like they have like a tunnel here where they can go from the house where they like live. My English sucks, so here we have like a door that I fixed, and here's like the out place for the chickens. So here I'm actually like on the outside of the cafe. So here it's like able to sit. You can read the gardens, also the mountains, and like down there we have here sometimes like cattle from other people, but not today. And as well, when you go down here, you come to like a little river where it's like able to swim. So I'm actually walking down to a river, I think, that is on the farm here. And now we will see. It's possible to get in here. So that's like from the entrance where you get in. You have a table with different stuff to buy. Cheese, drinks, some other stuff. Not everything is from the farm. Some things are from the farm, but many things are from the region. from other farms, factories. You can order some food. I never ordered the food here, that's a pity. But like behind there is like the kitchen. And one thing I have to show, they have like a drink here. It's guarana, and I really like it. I definitely would recommend to try this. Also, this one I only tried the peach one. Pesigo is like peach. It's also really good. So there we have like the living house. Here is like a place also to relax. Here's a living house where like we sleep, eat, and all that stuff. So here we have the chickens, like the young ones. They are here. I think that they are 18 as far as I remember. So here we have like a really big mango tree, but I'm not in the right season here, so I never will try it. But on this area here, it's like the area for I don't know what's the name, agroforest. So that's a Portuguese name, Canteiro Agroflorestal, mais, but yeah. So they have like plants in the bottom and like trees, or like here like a banana tree, or like in the top for like shadow, and the vegetables, for example tomatoes, are in the bottom. So it's really nice. I think this is just, the plantation is just like 2 years old as far as I remember. Also, this is like an ananas plant. I will look if I find one with like a fruit. Here we are. It's like an ananas fruit. And down there like is an Airbnb house. So here we go down to the little Airbnb house on the what's in it, on the area here from the farm. So here we have the place for like washing the clothes. Here's like the basement where like all the tools are and stuff. Here is like the area that I organized with what's the name? For all the tools, like a tools rack. So then we will continue. Here we have the garden like behind the house, like with salad, what was the name, cabbage, papaya plants. To the place like where all the tools are, like spades. I don't remember this tool in English, but and yeah, here we have like a banana fruit. I don't know what's the name, but it's really interesting how many are in like on one plant. The next thing is down here we have for like planting later into the beds, like salads, beetroot and all that stuff. Also some trees. Here we have one of the dogs. It's Cafu or Cafune. And also we have other dog. It's Mikey, but I don't know where he is now. I want to split wood, but all the animals are here, like Mikey, the dog, other dog, and Georgie as well. So guys, that's the end of this video. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you want, you can like and subscribe, and I also think I will put down in the description probably the link of the website of the farm and probably also the Instagram account if someone is interested. And I would say, see you in the next one.